Hi everyone, so I'm just popping in to do another example for simplifying expressions when you have to add or subtract terms, which is also called collecting like terms. So I picked a question from the review for your test, and here you can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 terms. And the question is asking you to add and subtract these terms. So we can add terms together that have the same endings. So the 5a squared, for example, the 5a squared can be paired with the a squared. And notice how I'm circling the plus sign in front of the a squared, because the a squared, the sign directly in front of it belongs to that term. So if I move this term to another location, this plus is going to move with it. Okay, same with the negative 3a and the negative 2a. All right, these terms are going to be grouped together, and when I move them, the sign directly in front of those terms is going to move with them. And then at the end, we'll have a subtract 6 at the end because the 6 is negative. All right, so I'm going to rewrite this with the terms next to each other that have the same ending. So 5a squared plus a squared, and then minus 3a. There's a minus in front of it, so that moves with the term, and then minus 2a. And then at the end, we have a negative 6, so minus 6. Okay, so that's the key I think that some of you are missing, is make sure when you move in the terms around that the sign that's directly in front of it moves with that term. Now that you have them next to each other, now you can add and subtract them. So we have 5a plus 1a. There's a 1 here if you don't see anything, which is going to give me 6a squared. Right? We don't do anything to the ending when we're adding and subtracting the terms. We're just worried about the coefficients in the front. The a squared stays a squared. And then for the a's, we have a negative 3 subtract 2, which is negative 5a. And then at the end, we have a minus 6. Okay, hope that helps, guys. Keep the emails coming.